Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Gonna do a quick review of this two-seater love seat. Actually, you can probably fit 2 to 4 people on there comfortably. So the assembly process wasn't bad at all. It actually took me about, I want to say about 10 minutes. It really was just attaching the legs from underneath. It is gonna take some tools, which it does come with. Basically a wrench, okay, and an Allen key. These two, which is really all you need. I use the drill just for expediency, but you can get by with just using these two. There was only about 4 screws, 4 washers, spring washers, and regular washers, and 4 nuts. So it didn't come with a whole lot of hardware. So it does come with these 2 pillows as well. Rather light. I'm not a big fan of pillows that take up like the entire space, so I guess if you like those big type of pillows, you can probably exchange these out. But I think these are pretty good size for this particular set. And the way that you recline this is relatively straightforward. I'll just show it to you real quick. You could just move it forward like this and push it back. This one forward, you hear a click, and then back. So you can use it as a lounger as well. If you ever have guests over or anything like that. Good for movie night if you want to push this up against the wall. And again, if you want to put it back up, it's very simple. Hit a click. Click and back. So other than that, guys, assembly is pretty easy. Very nice color. I think it may come in a couple other different colors, but it is a nice color. Very simple build, very sturdy structure. So I would definitely give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and check it out. I'll check you guys on the next review.